struggle's bigger than my faith. The struggle steal my breath away.
Hi, this is Carlos Touch of Class Painting, and I want to thank you all for watching my videos. This what I'm doing here. The owner put the sheetrock, and all I'm doing is taping and mudding. I must say the owner did a wonderful job on installing the sheetrock. He did it the proper way. If anyone's looking for taping and mudding, you can call me at 401-696-1650. This is day one. I went through a 5-gallon bucket of compound in about 2.5 hours, maybe 3. It's coming out beautiful so far. No complications. And again, I want to thank you for watching.